Hello drafters! Something special for this video, I'm doing my first giveaway. That's right, as we fast approach the 20,000 subscriber mark, which should be able to make it by the end of this month of June 2026, I'm doing a giveaway to my subscribers. And Biqu has been kind enough to sponsor this and give me some products to give away. So what we have here is a range of some of their products specifically for the X1 and P1 machines, and I'll go through each one as they will all be individually given away. Now, before I get into the details of that, I need to give you the details of the requirements for entering this giveaway. Number one, this giveaway is unfortunately only available to Australian residents. That is simply because this is my first giveaway. I'm an Australian YouTuber, and it's going to cost me a little bit too much to send these products overseas at this point. Maybe in the future giveaway, but this one specifically just for Australian subscribers. Number two, you need to subscribe to the channel. So help me get to that 20,000 mark, because once we get to 20,000, I'll be doing this giveaway draw. And the third thing is you'll need to enter the giveaway. And you do that by checking the description of the video. I'll probably put a Google form there you can fill out. And then once we hit that 20,000 subscriber mark, we'll do a giveaway draw live on the channel. All right, let's cover what products I am going to give away. So the first one is this Panda RGB. So this is specifically for the Bambu Lab P and X series printers. And this is a really cool LED bar. It's going to completely illuminate your X1 or P1 machine. Then we have a couple of unique CryoGrip build plates. And these build plates are amazing for printing on, super adhesive, can bring the temperatures down of your builds as well, which helps reduce those energy costs. But normally these are blue plates, but we have a very unique orange one. And then we also have a really cool purple one. So both of those will be given away individually. And then finally, I suppose you might consider this the main draw. This is the Panda Breath. So this will be suitable for P1, X1, Bambu Lab printers, but also surprisingly the Snapmaker U1 printer as well. So it's also compatible for any of you Snapmaker U1 owners out there. And this is a smart chamber heater and filter. It's a really interesting product if you need to get those temperatures up in your printer, and also if you're interested in filtering any of those VOCs that get in there. And along with that, you get some additional filters as well. So like I said, if you want to enter the giveaway, number one, Australian residents only. Number two, just drop in your details in the Google form in the description and pinned comment of this video. And once I reach the 20,000 subscriber mark, which I'm estimating should be at the end of this month, June 2026 or early next month, then I'll do a live where I'll randomly select the entrants and start giving these away. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well if you do enter, because that's going to help us push towards that 20,000 mark and get this giveaway done as soon as possible. So again, thank you to all my subscribers. The channel's been growing so much this year. I'm really excited for the content I'm putting out. I'm working on some stuff at the moment, just in the background, which I'll release later on. There's heaps of other tutorials. There's UV printing, there's 3D printing. I'm actually getting a H2C this week, so we're going to do some more cool color printing. There's heaps we can do on this channel, and I'm really excited to share all that with you. And just thank you so much for getting this channel to this point where it is now. I couldn't have done it without all the viewers out there who support me, who watch the channel and give all those encouraging comments. I thank you so much for that support. It really means so much to me to work on this little side hobby that's getting bigger and bigger. It brings so much joy to me, and I hope that it brings something of value to you too. So again, thank you so much. Enter the competition. I hope you win, and thanks for watching.